Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by ensuring power and isolation. Put both nothing earbuds into the case and leave the lid open. This primes them for reset commands. Next, disable Bluetooth on nearby devices so the earbuds won't reconnect mid-process. Make sure the case and buds show some charge. A low battery can abort the reset. Once done, you'll use the case button and timed presses to trigger factory reset. This sequence forces the earbuds to clear pairing data and restore defaults. You now perform the precise button sequence to wipe settings. With the lid open, press and hold the case button for about 10 to 15 seconds. Watch for an LED pattern change and listen for a chime. This confirms the reset command registered. If you miss the cue, close the lid for 20 seconds and try again, then open and repeat the long press. This method forces the firmware to clear pairing caches and return to factory state, which is why timing and LED feedback matter. You finish by repairing and verifying function. Once the LED shows the ready pattern, turn Bluetooth back on and pair the nothing ear as a new device. This confirms the factory reset succeeded. If pairing fails, make sure your phone's OS is updated and retry or test with a different phone to isolate the problem. For persistent errors, stuck LEDs, or no audio, try another reset cycle, then contact support or request a firmware restore. That often resolves corrupted settings.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.